What if I tell you guys that you don't need to draw nor make use of any AI software or application before you can create this type of characters? And these are on my YouTube and TikTok handle. Here I make use of just two applications on my mobile device. All right, now these are normal application you guys use. Okay, they're normal application you guys use, but I can tell you guys I actually would use this application and it will blow your mind. All right, now what are the application I use? They are all available on my membership package on YouTube. Okay, all you need to do is to subscribe, and it does cost $0.99. All right guys, it's as I'm trying to give out to the best of my knowledge to those who can actually what we pay me in a token way. All right, and you can also pay me higher, no problem. But like I said, I'm actually I want to clear the atmosphere, because I have watched series of people trying to survey they've been surveying the internet to know how all these are being done. I tell you guys, I'm here to show you guys, and all these videos are really helping me to get subscribers, like, watch hour, and the most important, it makes my channel more monetized. Okay, like it fetch me incomes. All right, now you can see this is on TikTok. Okay, you can see TikTok studio. This is on TikTok. Then here I have this video which I've uploaded. You can see 11.6k, and so likewise I'll just uploaded this. It's not up to 24 hours, and you can see it's giving me, I mean, this one is not up to 24 hours. Look at the other ones I've uploaded so far. Okay, those, should I say, those 3 weeks past, I uploaded all this video. Okay, after getting the knowledge. Okay guys, so like I said, I am ready to show you guys everything. All you need to do is to subscribe for this membership offer. And for those of you that are on TikTok, you're watching this this video, please, all you need to do is to go on to my YouTube channel, that is Fintech Animation Studio. Then look for the membership package. Just subscribe to it. It's $0.99. It's as low as that, and here you get all the workflow I use. Remember, you are not drawing, you are not using any AI software. All right, you are going to do it without any issue, So guys, I can't wait to see you on the other side, and I hope you could also help me share this video to reach a wider audience. Thank you very much. As you do so, God bless you. Bye for now. Please do not forget to hit that subscribe button, like that video, share to your friends and total strangers. God bless you. One love. Ciao ciao.